All right, so for this one, it asks us to consider the recursive function. So remember, with a recursive function, they give you the first term. So this is term 1. Then here it says to get the next term, what you're going to do is you're going to multiply 5. And remember, this just means previous term. So I'm going to multiply 5 by the previous term. That's what this little n minus 1 means, f of n minus 1. So 2 times 5, I don't like that 5. 2 times 5 gives me 10, times 5 gives me 50, okay, times 5 gives me 250, okay? And so we continue, and basically what they're saying is which statement is true? Which statement is true is what they're asking us. And what I notice is, first of all, I when they say f of 6, that means we need to carry this out to 6 terms. So right now I've got 4 terms, so I'm going to do all the terms. So this will be times 5 again. That would be 1,250. And then times 5 again. So we've got 1. So this is term 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 5 times 1,250, I think, is 6,250. So I'm just going to double check this real quick on my calculator. So 2 times 5 is 10, and then times 5 again, 50, 250, 1,250, 6,250. So then let's go through these and see which one works. All right, so this is the 6th term. So it says the value of f of 6. Oh, so they're comparing the 3rd term, right? So let's rewrite it like this. F of 1 is equal to 2. F of 2 is equal to 10. F of 3, the 3rd term, is equal to 50. F of 4 is equal to 250. F of 5 is equal to 1,250. And then f of 6 is equal to 6,250. And in all of these, what we're doing is we're comparing f of 6 to f of 3. So we're going to look at f of 3, which is 50, and there's some sort of relationship between f of 3 and f of 6, the 6th term, the 3rd and 6th term. So it says that it's 1/25th. F of 6 is 1/25th of f of 3. No, because f of 6 is larger than f of 3, so that's not true. It says f of 6 is 125 times the value of f of 3. Well, we could check that with the calculator. In other words, my 3rd term, which is 50, if I multiply that by 125, they're claiming that I'll get 6,250. Yeah, that's it. B is the correct answer. That's true. It's not 2 times, it's too small. 2 times 50 is 100, so that's not going to work. And 15 times 50 is not going to work either. So B was the correct answer. Wow. the value, they'll scramble these answers. So the statement, the value of f of 6 is 120 times, 25 times the value of f of 3.